Hello, and welcome back to my channel, Cindy on a Beautiful Day. And on this beautiful day, we are going to be making a loaded brownie. You guys, this brownie is as extra as I am. There are 6 add-ins. There's Oreo cookies, there's cream cheese, there's chocolate chips, there's hazelnut, it has strawberry sauce, and caramel sauce. You guys, with all of that going on, that chocolate is a really deep chocolate that is enhanced by the espresso powder that is in it. It is so deep. You guys are going to love this recipe. So gather your ingredients and let's get to it.
Gather ingredients and set oven to 350 degrees. First things first, chocolate chips and butter on the double broiler. Mix until melted and smooth. Remove it from the stove and then add your sugar and espresso powder and mix. Next up, add in your vanilla extract and salt and mix. The eggs go in next and make sure you whisk it thoroughly to get it all incorporated. Then you'll need a sieve or a fine mesh strainer to sift in your flour and baking powder. Fold those ingredients in carefully and be careful not to overmix. Our delicious add-in ingredients are up next. Gather the hazelnuts, Oreos, and chocolate chips and sprinkle about a tablespoon of flour over them and toss. This prevents the add-in ingredients from sinking to the bottom of the brownie. Now time to fold them into the batter. Grease your 9 by 13 inch pan either with butter or oil. And then pour in your brownie batter, making sure you have an even layer. Now microwave your cream cheese for about 15 seconds or until softened and dollop it over the surface area of the brownie batter. Next, using a skewer or a toothpick, go ahead and swirl the cream cheese into the brownie batter. This then goes into the oven for 20 to 25 minutes or until done. Now let's go ahead and cut into our brownies before we add even more lusciousness to it. Next up is the strawberry sauce. Go ahead and spoon it all over the brownie. And as if that wasn't enough, let's add on some store-bought caramel sauce. And because, like I said, this brownie is as extra as me, let's add on some more Oreo cookies and hazelnuts and chocolate chips if you wish. And don't forget a little sprinkle of salt. It balances out all that yummy flavor. And y'all just look. And it is as delicious as it is gorgeous. Go ahead and give this recipe a try. And do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more delicious recipes.